color do y'all leave your lights on? Most of the time, I have it just on, I forget the mode, but if it's like on touring, it's blue, sport is red, track is orange, and I think snow and ice is like white. But if I'm not using those modes, I like this color. It's like a blue, cyan, I don't know what you'd call it, but it's awesome though. On E85, so from this video compared to I guess my only other driving video, y'all let me know what the sounds like, because to me honestly, dude, I like E85, but I prefer the sound of 93. I think I said that before, but then this time this E85, I don't know what it is, it sounds awesome. I mean, it still got like a little bit of a 93 in it, but this sucker feels crazy fast. Like I can't even floor it, which, you know, you wouldn't really want to floor it too often, you know. But I mean, I can floor it. It's just like, this is really scary actually. But you know, that's what E85 does. It just adds a little horsepower to your car. I think like 30 to 40 horsepower to the wheel. I was gonna say rear wheel horsepower, because like that's what people like call it. Or oh, that feels freaking awesome outside, dude. Yeah, I think it's raining a little bit. Yeah, these lighting strips, man, the cup holder and the door panel, little part up there, it's cool. I like it a lot. It's not a big deal breaker, but man, this over like a Mustang, choosing this any day. And I thought I was crazy, because like honestly, man, I wasn't really a big car person. Even now I wouldn't say I'm like a humongous car person. Like my little cousin, he knows like a bunch of cars. Like you could be like, hey, how much horsepower does, like, I don't know, a freaking Bugatti Koenigsegg McLaren P76 have? He'll be like, oh, I don't know, just gave you like a crazy number. I'm like, what the heck? Who even knew that car was real? But I don't know, just stuff like that. Be careful with these. They don't really mean much or do much to me. I think they're very cool. Link to drive mode, usually that's where I keep it at. If you have a Camaro yard, 100%, y'all know what I'm talking about. This car is not new, but I think the 6th gen Camaro was one of the first cars to like have interior lighting. Y'all Google that. I may Google that like while I edit this and like do a screenshot, but I think the Camaro SS 6th gen, or the 6th gen Camaro rather, was the first car to have interior lighting like this, or ambient lighting, I think's the correct term. Yeah, usually the car's probably in sport mode more likely than not. But yeah, man, if y'all got a Camaro, y'all comment down below. Do y'all keep your lights like link to drive mode, or what color do y'all like? I was looking at my my cousin's Z01 the other day, man. I forgot 2019 Camaros and up, SS's, Z01s. I'm not sure if, I think RS's could have the ambient lightings if you spec it. But yeah, you could do like, it looks like a freaking smoothie to me. But like the colors fade from like one color slowly to another color. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. This one doesn't have it, but it's not that big of a difference, you know. Yeah, I think I may be able to do a little pull right here and get my fucking Michael Phelps on. Golly, man. This E85 is no joke. To Americans, man. Shout out to the Americans. Golly. Man, I think my car did a little on that one. This E85 is no joke, man. Let me calm down. I'm trying to play some video games tonight. I'm trying to make it home. Probably throw another piece in the oven. Now you know what? I'm gonna go out to eat tonight. I'm gonna go to Chick-fil-A. I'm feeling a little Chick-fil-A dinner today. But yeah, let's not act too crazy. Good thing about me, y'all would not have to worry about me like trying to flex for the camera. Like, just because I'm recording, I'm not gonna do nothing like dumb. Look, I'm going 5 under the speed limit. We're good. I want to be up, you know, with traffic, but I don't want to be slowing down too much. YouTube videos, like, folks try to get like too cool for the camera and like flex and shit, and that's where you fuck up and like bad stuff happens, you know. So I mean, I think I'm pretty good at knowing not necessarily my limits, but yeah, I hope y'all get what I'm saying, you know. So yeah, I'm not gonna do nothing too crazy. That's kind of the content y'all are watching, man. We're hoping to go to the next channel, man. Cause I'm trying to play some PlayStation tonight, eat this Chick-fil-A, and I'd say that's a good day to me. It's an awesome day. Hey, but I love doing this in the car. Like, put it in track mode, mash the gas one time, performance shift active. Man. It would be cool to mash on it and keep going, like really get some speed, but I'm trying to make it home tonight, man. Even driving like at this speed with the car, it kind of like gets a little back wheels get a little, you know, a little iffy on you. Man, but I freaking love this car, man. I think I've said it before plenty of times. I'd never sell this car and get rid of it ever. But yeah, the sound on this car is freaking awesome, man. I got a good feeling this video is gonna come out pretty nice, like just the nighttime scene. Well, let's get a quick thumbnail. I should do it. most was the start on the car wasn't tuned, so of course I wouldn't feel the difference. But I feel like headers probably give you like what, 5 horsepower, 3 horsepower, nothing crazy. Yeah, this E85, it's a big difference for sure. So I am kind of driving a little, slightly calmer than I normally would, just because like I need to get used to driving with the 85. Like earlier, dude, I was going like 80 miles per hour. Oh shit. Like 80 miles per hour. And I freaking lost traction a little bit. Like, what the heck? That should not happen. My tires, I don't think they're too bad. I'll look at them later, but y'all saw that? A freaking traction light came on, man. Like again, like at 80 miles per hour. Like it was sprinkling earlier, but the tires are moving. They should be a little more. 80 degrees outside.